I'm going to go to PO. You can configure all your suppliers. So let's just say this is your supplier. This is for 6 rollers. ETA time frame, I would like it by this time. Add, so it creates the PO, and then you can go into that PO, and these are your order forms in a PDF or an Excel. You can simply click and see that as well. Like over here, you can see you have the prices. So again, if you untick in that order sheet, this will not show up in the pricing. You can simply click on this plus sign, whether you're going to send a Excel file to them or a PDF file, and it'll attach over here. And then you just simply click on email and say, hey, John, please send these items. And then you can send it to them. If you send, that file will go to them. Meantime, in your story, if you go into your story again, it'll say, now this PO has been raised. This is the PO number, and it's been sent for the Delta shutters.